Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. One of my favourite cars, Jaguar XJ 3 litre diesel V6. Now it's not a portfolio, it's a premium luxury, but where do you find them? 60,000 miles, great service history, it's just a lovely thing. Metallic black, or stratus grey, it's dark grey almost black, with black leather. Got those lovely alloy wheels in anthracite. Pan roof, got rear entertainment. I mean, it's not a portfolio, but it's big spec and a lovely car. Recently been serviced, had some new front arm bushes, rear discs and pads. 60,000 miles is the attraction on a 2015. As I say, got good service history and is a lovely car. Get things like reverse camera, power boot, alloy space saver, spare wheel, rear park sensors, 20-inch alloys, anthracite, lovely, not stone chipped or anything, front park sensors, daytime running lights, headlamp washers, panoramic roof. It's actually two roofs, two sunshades, two separate glass roofs. I'll show you from the inside. Front one tilts and slides. MERIDIAN HIFI, piano black inside, Jaguar mats, black leather, heated seats, lovely multifunction steering wheel, and electric memory seats. Paddle change on the steering wheel, paddle gear change on the steering wheel, electric steering column, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Got the dynamic buttons, so it's got sports and comfort modes. Those new discs on the back, so nice and shiny through there. Rear entertainment, so the screen's in the back. This has got digital television, headphones, original Jaguar headphones, rear climate, heated rear seats. As I say, two sunroofs, front one tilts and slides, both with electronic sunshades. So twin pan roofs, rear climate, rear entertainment, reverse camera, rear park sensors, LED rear lights, that's an upgrade, power boot, lovely big boot, super clean, massive boot on these. Under here, aluminium space saver, spare wheel, tool kit, etc. Press the button and the boot closes. Paintwork, very nice. Interior, beautiful. Got tyre pressure monitoring, DAB radio, digital television, sat-nav, Bluetooth, MERIDIAN HIFI, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, memory seats. Leather on the driver's seat is in lovely condition. Very nice, multifunction steering wheel, voice control. Reverse camera, everything you could wish for really. Very nice example. Two keys. Price £15,495. A lot of prestige luxury saloon for that. 15,495 on a 2015, done 60,000 miles. Very good service history, recently been serviced, ready to go. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. You can have a thumb through our cars, there'll be lots of Jaguars for sale. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can have a thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You you will be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.